our way to the office right now for meetings. So it's a Monday, it's meeting day, and I will also be interviewing one applicant for Lecat. I just finished bank errands and Lana errands. Nag-work ako ng konti. I did my emails. I did approvals and stuff. And now we are on our way to the office. Bye! Back home, meetings are done, and I'm back in my usual editing sweater. And let's go back to it. Hello guys, it's a Tuesday morning and I'm on my way to the headquarters right now for a couple of meetings, and I actually woke up really late today kasi sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko since kagabi, and hindi ko alam, nabinat siguro ako. Sunday I feel really sick, and then Monday morning I felt better. Tapos pumunta ako ng office, meetings, since alam niyo naman, sobrang busy ng Monday. And then feeling ko nabinat ako. I slept really early last night, mga around 8 o'clock. Pero I still woke up around 9 a.m. So that's 13 hours of sleep. Yes. Kasi I've been feeling really nauseous and tired and always sleepy. But actually, gusto ko na magpa-check up hopefully by next week or by tomorrow if my schedule clears. But here I am, powering through, still going to the office, and I'll just finish a couple of meetings and then I'll go. Backdrop installed. Cheers, cheers. Happy birthday, love. Advance happy birthday. How old are you?
32.
You're old.
Tanda ko na.
Babalik
Which I will say again when I'm 42.
Yes, in 10 years.
In 10
We'll
years.
watch this in 10 years. Ganito pa rin kaya ba?
Mataba pa rin kaya ako.
Ganito pa rin kaya ako.
We'll find out in 10 years
We'll
time.
find out in 10 years time.
Buhay pa kaya ako?
Buhay pa ka? True. Same. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ay! Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Make 2 wishes. You have 2 kids.
World peace tsaka $1 billion.
Yay! Guys, just quickly checking in. It's December 19. It's Joshua's birthday. And when I asked him kung anong gusto niya for his birthday, he said just 1 day of being in the house all day. No work, no calls. And yun lang. Yun yung pinaka-wish na for today. So we didn't go out. I just cooked for him ng breakfast and lunch. We watched Billions. Who's watching Billions on Netflix? Oh my gosh. Ganda niya. I'm on season 1 pa lang. And so we just lazed around all day. And then hapon, na-convince ko siya na bumili at least ng pancit and cake for him. And then that's it. We just ate with the family here at home. And just lounged and spent time with each other and with the family, and then that's it. I always appreciate how he constantly reminds me that time will always be one of the most important things in the world, especially to the people you love. And since it's the Christmas season, I think that would be one of the best presents you can give to your loved ones. So right now it's 8:30 and we are just waiting for friends to arrive. Bigla lang silang nag-message na gusto nila mag-visit kay Josh for his birthday. So, yeah. I hope you're having a great night.